Today I'm going to show you how to go from these faded headlights after a little bit of elbow grease to something like this. These look like new. Let's go. So look at these sad Corolla lights. I'm hoping we can restore them a little bit here. And we're going to use this kit from Harbor Freight. I've used this a couple times on different vehicles so far and gave me good results. It is about 15 bucks at Harbor Freight. And let's see if we can bring some clarity to these babies. All right, great success. 20 minutes of polishing using the leftover of the kit, and the headlight is back with a vengeance. Look at that, looks like a brand new one. Now, to make this shine last, you probably want to put a nice coat of clear over the top of it, or maybe some other sealant or protectant. So check it out. And then this is the before. This is the other one that we did not work at. So it's not terrible, but still you could see a little bit of elbow grease will get you a wonderful result. Look at that. And this is the end result. The headlights are done.